Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable elastic audio in Pro Tools. So to enable it, you must activate a processor on the specific track you want to manipulate. So this allows you to change the timing or pitch of audio without affecting the others. So on the track header, in either the edit or mix window, look for the small icon that looks like a wine glass or a network node. It's usually located below here. If you see my mouse right here. Now, if you click on it, you will see none by default and choose the algorithm that best fits your audio. So then if we go here to the Elastic Audio plugins, we have polyphonic. So it's best for instruments playing chords. So guitar, piano, or full mixes. Then we have rhythmic is best for drums or loops with clear hits. Monophonic best for single note lines like bass or lead vocals. Vari speed, it mimics a tape machine, so changing the speed changes the pitch. We have also Xform is for rendered only, not real time, meaning it takes time to process after every move. So this is the processor. So if I select that like that, now once it's enabled, Pro Tools will analyze the audio for transient markers to see and to move these markers. So if you click the track view selector where it says waveform, so right here, select analyzes to see where Pro Tools detects beats. Then here, sorry, here you can select also warp to actually click and drag the audio to the grid. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can enable elastic audio in Pro Tools. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next